In this video, we are going to look on how to set up your Bluesky account. First, open up the Bluesky application. Then tap on Create Account. Type in your email address here and set a password. Also type in your birth date. Then tap on Next. Create any user handle you want and tap on Next. Complete this verification test. And once you complete it, tap on Continue. Select the topics which interest you and tap on Continue. Tap on Let's Go. And you have successfully set up your Bluesky account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.